What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNYcrypto. In this video we're going to be talking about why I believe the focus is going to be shifting from the top 10 cryptos more so to the small cap cryptocurrencies now, where there's huge profit potential. We're already seeing a lot of altcoins up 100% and more, even up to 500% in some cases. I will review some of these altcoins that have gone up huge in the past week, as well as show you guys how to find your own hidden gems in the crypto space as well. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I release new crypto videos. It's very important you hit the bell if you do want to be notified. So in this video, we will be discussing small cap cryptocurrencies and why I think a lot of these are going to have explosive gains in a very short period of time. We're already seeing dozens of these up huge. I'm going to go over some of these. So these are cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $100 million or less usually. And these tend to move up much easier because it takes much less money, new money in the markets to really push these up. So a lot less interest is required than what's required for top 10 cryptos to really move up a lot. So we do see small cap cryptocurrencies really explode with any small news. And I will be going over some news on some altcoins as well and show you guys some examples, as well as show you guys a website where you can research cryptocurrencies and find cryptocurrencies that are small cap. So real quick, I do want to remind you guys, it's the last day of my cryptocurrency giveaway with nearly $4,000 in cryptocurrency prizes. As you guys can see, 28 hours left. A lot of ways to enter here. I will be adding new ways at the bottom so you can get extra entries and increase your odds of winning. There's going to be 13 winners, and I will be selecting the winners within the day after this ends, and an even bigger one will be launching after this one ends. So stay tuned, and you can find a link to this in the video description. So something I do want to show you guys is CoinMarketCap. They do have a top gainers list. This is good to look at to find small cap cryptocurrencies that really have moved up a lot. Of course, you don't want to be investing in these cryptos while they're up over 300%. Even the top one here is up 10,000 or 101,000%. Just insane. Even 1,000%. A lot of these are up 500%. A lot of coins up 200% and more on the 7-day here. So I will be going over some. Of course, a lot of these are cryptocurrencies that are unknown, and it really doesn't take much to push these up a lot. Any small announcement or any interest in these cryptos usually push these up very quickly. You want to make sure these cryptos have a good long-term vision though, and you want to make sure you get in at a good entry point. And also keep in mind, this is not financial advice. This is only my personal opinion, and you should always do your own research before making any investments. So over the past week or so, there's not much going on in the top 10 cryptocurrencies. We're not getting a lot of major gainers like we were seeing earlier in January. Bitcoin's starting to find a new support level and is stabilizing. Ethereum keeps testing its all-time high, but it's not breaking out, which would be very bullish for altcoins as well if Ethereum broke out towards $2,000. But I do think a lot of people are starting to reinvest their profits from top 10 cryptos into smaller cap cryptocurrencies. They have major profits to reinvest, and any cryptocurrencies with breaking news, people just pile in, and it doesn't take much to push them up very quickly. So some examples here, we have Uniswap breaking all-time high around $12.50 now. This did a massive airdrop not too long ago in the summer. They airdropped millions of dollars worth of Uni tokens. This is up 35% on the 7-day. We also have a lot of other big gainers here in the top 10. Elrond eGold is closing in on $50 now. Just insane, because in the summer this was below $10. Other ones here, CeeLo up 47% on the 7-day. We got Curve token up 37%. Engine coin up almost 100% on the 7-day. Just massive profits here. This is one of the top gaming coins in the crypto space, and I do have some news to show you guys on this as well. So really any big news on these small cap cryptos that are very bullish in the long term as well can really move very easy. As you guys can see, it's only at a $385 million market cap. So for that to move up 100%, really doesn't take a huge market cap increase comparing it to the top 10s. So we also have to consider here, there's only 39 cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1 billion or more, and everything else in the crypto space is below $1 billion. So not a lot of cryptocurrencies are even above $10 billion. There's only 6, starting with Cardano here and moving up to Bitcoin. So we're beginning to see a lot of these smaller cap cryptocurrencies really going up a lot with some big news. NFT boom and platform upgrades back Decentraland's Mana 100% rally. Mana also got added to Grayscale's Trust Fund, which is pretty huge for a smaller cryptocurrency. This is still only $250 million market cap here. And as you guys can see, the price has gone up huge since the beginning of January. On January 4th, it was around 8 cents. Now double that at 16 cents. We also got DeFi surge, rising TVL, and new partnerships underpin Ren's 100% rally, another coin people have been requesting me to look at. Chainlink now the bigger than Litecoin as Link price hits new high above $24. Pretty huge that Link was able to pass up Litecoin. I do think there's a lot of growth for Litecoin to come still, as I've been mentioning, with PayPal launching merchant payments with cryptocurrency in Q1, which should be launching by the end of March. I did a video on Litecoin that you could find on my channel if you do want to learn more about that. So another token a lot of people have been requesting is Voyager VGX. Voyager token gained 1000% as mergers and acquisitions bring new users. So if we check out Voyager on here, this is one I was actually looking at before the huge pump here. So just on January 6th, it was 17 cents. It's now $1. Pretty insane. Massive profits in a short period. Still at a $215 million market cap. So we're also starting to see NFTs sell for a crazy amount of money. So if you're an artist or graphic designer in any type of way, I definitely recommend looking into NFTs and creating these. They're very simple to make. There's NFT platforms where you can sell these. So ultra rare alien CryptoPunk NFT sells for 605 ETH, which is $750,000 right now. Just insane. And this is the image that's sold. This is the NFT that's sold for this massive amount. And we did cover a Rick and Morty one recently as well that sold for over $500,000. A lot of NFTs are really selling for massive amounts, just insane because they're collectibles. So I do think that's going to continue. I definitely recommend looking into making NFTs if you are an artist. So I'm quickly going to go through some altcoins that have been up huge in the past week, starting with Engine Coin here. As you guys can see, massive profits here from January 3rd at 14 cents, now over 43 cents, pretty huge. H-Bar is another one I've been getting a lot of requests of. I'd have to do a much deeper dive on this to do a proper review. But this has seen massive profits as well since the beginning of January, was around 3 cents. It peaked out here over 11 cents, so pretty huge profits there. Elrond has been surging throughout the entire summer, so they switched over to a new coin, so you can't see the real price history here. But in the summer, this was under $2 when I was watching it. It quickly went up to $10, and now it's over $50, just insane. This market cap is getting close to 1 billion. This is a competitor with the Ethereum network as well. So Phantom FTM, this has been around for a while. This is doing something unique in the crypto space as well. As you can see, huge spike here in the charts, going from just around 3 cents just about a week ago to over 5 cents now. Venus XVS is now $10 and up from around $5. Live Peer LPT is up pretty huge all at once as well in the last week, going from $1 to $4.50. The Sandbox Sand has shot up massively just last week, around 5 cents, now closing in on 2x that, around 10 cents. Axie Infinity, we actually covered this altcoin in one of my bullish altcoins for 2021, and this is up 25% today. When I did that video a couple days ago, it was around 70 cents. This is now 90 cents. This still has massive room for growth. As you guys can imagine, the market cap's only 50 million. So two more I haven't heard of yet. NFTX is over $100, and that was just $50 a couple days ago, doubled up. Beefy.finance was around $80 just about a week ago, now over $320. So as you guys can imagine, there's a lot of small cap cryptocurrencies really surging right now. So if you could find these small cap cryptos before they have major breaking news and before a lot of demand buying pressure comes to these small projects, you can have huge profits in a very short period of time, as you can imagine. So one way I do like to find these small cap cryptocurrencies with major events coming up is this website coinmarketcal.com. I'll put a link to this in the video description. So this has cryptocurrencies with major events coming up, and basically it's just a calendar website, and they have marked dates for different cryptocurrencies, and it basically tells you what the event is that's coming up, and then you can vote on these and stuff, because people do put fake events in here. So always keep in mind, be very cautious on what you believe in here and do your research, verify the source. So you can find some hidden gems in here with major events coming up. If you buy early enough before the major event, then there could definitely be some huge profits. So for a quick example, we could see the CeeLo project has a mainnet launch coming on January 26th, which is tomorrow. And as we can see on CoinMarketCap, the price of CeeLo is up 20% on the 24-hour and 53% on the 7-day. So leading up to this mainnet launch, people are just buying this up in anticipation. So something people do is they buy the testnet and then they sell the mainnet. So what this means is you would find this while they're in the testnet and getting close to the mainnet launch, as we can see here. And then you would sell this a day before or a couple days within the mainnet launch. And that's usually when people sell, and then you'll get a temporary price dip. So I was doing this in the summer and was pretty successful with this if you were following my channel. So obviously you don't want to buy the day before the mainnet. You want to find stuff on here, major launches like a mainnet coming up a few weeks out at least, and buy in anticipation for that. Of course, you want to make sure the project is legit to begin with, and the mainnet is actually a serious launch that will bring demand to the project as well, because I have seen projects launch mainnets and really no price action happens as well. So you do have to be careful of that. But there's a lot of small cap cryptos out there in general. We have to keep in mind, as we can see on coinmarketcap.com at the top here, you can see there's a total of 8,326 cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap. So there's endless cryptocurrencies being created every week and being added to CoinMarketCap. And really, a lot of these are going to just disappear and be useless and be a waste of money, even doing the research. But if you get in the right ones with a good long-term vision and have a good team, and they're actually building good utility for the crypto, then these could have explosive profits over time. As we saw, the ICO for Ethereum tokens were 34 cents each. Now each Ethereum is over $1,300. But of course, how many people actually found Ethereum in the ICO and were willing to take that major risk? Because at that time, there was hardly any cryptocurrencies besides Bitcoin and a few select others. So you guys should definitely keep in mind that the smaller market cap the cryptocurrency altcoin is, the higher the risk is as well. So it's also going to take a lot of time of research. As you can imagine, going through the thousands of small cryptocurrencies out there can be such a huge waste of time. That's why I do like using websites like the Coin Market Calendar website, as well as joining certain crypto groups. And by following certain people on Twitter and YouTube, you can also get hints at major altcoins with major events coming up. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found it useful. I do think a lot of small cap altcoins are going to be seeing explosive profits, especially as people start reinvesting from Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, and other top 10 cryptos into these smaller cryptocurrencies. We saw a lot of this happening throughout the summer as well. Explosive profits on some altcoins, going anywhere from 100% up to 1,000% profits in a very short period of time. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys again for watching. I hope you guys found it useful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.